Hello guys, I said wanted in the morning.
Bisa mo na. Tulong si Daddy.
Daddy, follow tayo na lang. Mami, hintay mo.
Salamin, salamin, salamin.
In the morning, morning!
Kung marunong ka, magaling-galing mong magsalita. Mali-mali naman din yung lyrics mo eh.
Eh, ginagahit kita eh.
Abi, tumiga, nakakaikot.
Wait.
Ikaw nga, kantahin mo nga. Ayoko
In the morning!
umasa
In the
sa
morning!
paligid. Salamin, salamin, salamin.
In the morning, morning! Sorry, sorry, see? In the morning!
Tawa na, ulis na.
Isa pa, wait
Tama
lang.
na, tulog na
Sorry,
ako.
sorry, see? And the dug 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 dug. Sorry, sorry, see? Baka na kayo morning. Sorry, sorry, see? Ito ating morning. Sorry,
Ano?
sorry,
Hindi ka
see?
mo-
In the morning.
Ganun niya, ayoko.
In the morning. Ano ba?
Ha?
Shy in the morning.
Hindi naman eh. Mali naman yung tinuturo mo
Let's
eh.
see. Ayoko in the morning.
Sa paligid.
In the morning, morning.
Salamin, salamin, salamin.
Ito in the morning. Sorry, sorry, see. Ito morning. Tingnan mo ako. Sorry, sorry, see. Ito morning.
Morning, ulit-ulit yung the morning eh. Mali naman yan eh.
Sorry, sorry, see. Ito morning. Sorry, sorry, I don't want the morning, wala.
Ayusin mo yung kanta. Sige nga, yung sayo. Ano nga yung sayo?
Sorry, sorry,
Sorry.
sorry. And the morning.
Hindi nga, yung sayo nga.
Sorry, sorry, sing. And the morning.
Hindi naman yun. Ano nga yung sayo? Yung kinanta mo? Yung sayo? Yung lyrics
Sorry,
mo?
sorry, and the morning.
Buti mo, hindi mo na alam.
Sorry, sorry, sing. Baka nakuta daddy warning.
Napaka-ibig. Ano yan?
Baka nakuta warning daddy.
Napaka-ibig. Salamin, salamin, salamin.
Baka nakasida. Masida.
Oo, tama naman yun.
Ma'am, isa pa.